Here's a quick demonstration of the F major and B major scales, 2 octaves instead of 1 octave. So just the right hand of F major first. You start with 1, 2, 3, 4, cross under there. 1, 2, 3, then 1 on F, 1 on C. Notice you end with 4. 4, 3 on E, 4 on B flat. Left hand is a standard fingering, same as C major. 5, 3, 4 on G, 3 on D, 1 on C, 1 on F, 1 on C. Hands together, your thumbs will align on the C's and the F's. Thumbs together, thumbs, 1. Notice right hand ends with the 4, come down, 1, 1, 1. Here's the B major scale now. For B major, the left hand is the changed fingering. Starts with 4 instead of 5. So you start with 4, 4 on F sharp, 3 on C sharp, 4 on F sharp. 1, 1, 1. End with 4, not 5. Okay, the right hand is a standard fingering. Notice that you have thumb on the white keys. There's 5 sharps in this, so the thumb goes on the B's and the E's. 1, 1. Three on D sharp, 4 on A sharp, 3. Here's hands together. Remember to start with 4. Thumbs together on E. Thumbs on B. Thumbs on E.